So I'm George Osborne. I'm Security Operations Manager at Smart DCC. Smart DCC, we run the communications network for the UK smart metering. So we sit between all of the users' homes and their energy providers. Across the UK, we're in about 70% of homes at the moment, so about 124 million devices. It makes it quite challenging, to be honest. I think the biggest pressure is understanding the data. We've got highly unique data that's coming through, and knowing the ins and outs of that, knowing where that data is coming from, what does it actually mean as well for the business? That's probably the biggest pressure that we find. Back when we started using Elastic, we were using it purely for an internal SOC. So we were using it for enterprise only, so SharePoint, laptops, that side of things. We've recently expanded that to bring our operations team, so our network operations team, onto it. So we've got multiple users across the business that are using Elastic, and being able to scale up the data rapidly has made a real difference on that aspect. We've gone from having around probably 3 billion events per month to now sitting at around 13 billion. And we're still on that journey to onboard more of our suppliers and get more enriched data. I think one of the key things has been having the tiers. So being able to move from using everything on hot tiering to be able to push it out into frozen and things like that. So over the past year, we've gone from being able to search across 3 months worth of data to actually now being able to search and threat hunt across 12 months worth of data using that frozen tier and being able to sort of search across our snapshots. The affordability of that tiered system has allowed us to query more data, but also get a better understanding for our machine learning models. So we've actually been able to detect more and also faster as well. Before, our operations team were on Elastic, to now, it's a 87% increase in incidents that are detected before a customer sees impact. So we're able to get onto incidents, and when the customer calls and says, I've got degradation, we're able to say, we know about it, we're already on it. We've saved over £250,000 over the last sort of 12 to 18 months from removing tooling that was no longer required and building it into the same platform. You've got to have that right framework in place before you implement AI. But then once you do, it then gives you that ability to really supercharge your operations.